The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Central Dallas County in East Central Texas, Central Tarrant County in East Central Texas, until 5:05 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely destructive tornado was located near Fort Worth, or 17 miles northwest of Arlington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Tornado emergency for Arlington, Cockrell Hill, Dallas, Fort Worth, and University Park. Hazard: deadly tornado and softball-size hail. Source: Weather Spotter confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Fort Worth around 3:53 p.m. Arlington around 4:12 p.m. Cockrell Hill around 4:37 p.m. University Park around 4:51 p.m. Dallas around 4:53 p.m. This tornado will cross Interstate 20 between mile markers 157 and 172, and Interstate 20 between mile markers 143 and 158. A large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is